Hi guys, welcome back to Ladybug's Garden. Today we are going to be unboxing our latest tree that we are adding to our mini backyard orchard. Today's tree is a sweetheart cherry tree. The tree has already been pruned by the company, and as you can see, if you look very closely, you can start to see buds beginning to break on the individual branches. The root of the tree has been wrapped in moistened straw and wrapped in saran wrap to keep the roots of the tree nice and moist and hydrated for transportation. The roots are nice and healthy. I am going to place the tree in a bucket of water for about 30 minutes to hydrate the tree before planting. I am going to be planting the Sweetheart cherry tree in a 20-gallon grow bag. When planting a fruit tree, the grafted union, where the tree has been grafted onto the rootstock, has to remain above the soil level. So here I am pointing to where the cherry tree was grafted onto the rootstock. That section is going to remain above the soil line. Since the soil is nice and loose and pre-moistened, I can just dig out a hole with my hand. I am going to secure the tree where I want it to be in the grow bag, and I am going to backfill with some of the soil, pushing down to remove any air pockets around the roots. Once the tree is nice and sturdy, I'm going to continue filling the bag with the remaining soil up to where the grafted union is. Until the roots get established in the grow bag, I'm going to secure the tree to a stake. I'm going to use some Velcro plant tape to secure the tree at the bottom and at the top, as we do have strong Santa Ana winds that blow through at this time, and I need the tree to be able to stay upright and not fall over. I'm going to use the straw packaging to mulch around the tree to lock in some of the moisture and to help the tree on these cold winter nights that we are still having. So here we have our sweetheart cherry tree that we just planted in a 20-gallon grow bag. Here we have our mini Fuji apple dwarf tree growing in a 20-gallon grow bag. Here we have our St. August Pride peach tree that is growing in a 20-gallon grow bag. As you can see, a few of our buds have flowered and opened up, so we are pretty excited about that. Here we have our Double Delight nectarine tree that is growing in a 20-gallon grow bag. And here we have our Desert Delight nectarine tree that is also growing in a 20-gallon grow bag. This tree was planted last week, and as you can see, we are starting to have leaf formation and buds. And here we have the first tree that I ever planted 15 years ago. It is our dwarf Meyer lemon tree. And as you can see, it is packed full of lemons. And here is a view of our mini backyard orchard. We have cherry, apple, peach, nectarine, and we have our small but mighty dwarf Meyer lemon tree. And as always, thank you for watching our video. Please be sure to click the like and subscribe button. See you real soon.